Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at home. My name is Amna Ashraf. I am your English teacher. So students, today is a reading day. So I have selected chapter King Red Nose for the reading. So students, what you have to do, it is on page number 39. Open your book, chapter King Red Nose. Open page number 39, and then I'm gonna read. You have to listen each and every word, its pronunciation very carefully. Students, now I am going to read this chapter. Open page number 39, King Red Nose. The name of the chapter is King Red Nose. Starter. I am going to read. You have to listen each and every word very carefully. Have you heard the story of the monkey that stole a man's cap? The man tried to climb the tree to get the cap. What did the monkey do? How did his clever friend get the cap book? Now here's a story about a clever turtle. Read the story. King Rednose went out for a walk one day. He saw a turtle by the roadside. It walked along slowly and sang a song. The song went like this. The king has a big nose. The king has a red nose. The king was very angry. He said to his servants, "Hang the turtle from this tall tree. Hang him now." "Thank you," said the turtle. "I can eat some fresh green leaves from the tree." "No," said the king. "Don't hang him from the tree. Throw him into the river." "Please don't," said the turtle. "I hate water. I don't want to get wet." "Please don't throw me into the water." Throw him in at once," said the king to his servants. They threw the turtle into the river. The turtle swam away happily. This time it sang a new song. The foolish king has a big nose. The foolish king has a red nose. The foolish king was very angry. His nose became redder and bigger. His servants smiled to see it. Students, now this is word list set number 5, King Red Nose. This is the chapter. These are some words from the chapter. You have to underline these words in your book. आपको ये सारे वर्ड, दीज आर 20 वर्ड्स, ये 20 वर्ड्स यू हैव टू सर्च आउट फ्रॉम द चैप्टर किंग रेड नोज. इस चैप्टर में से आपने इन वर्ड्स को सर्च करना है, देन यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन दीज वर्ड्स. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू लर्न दीज ऑल 20 वर्ड्स. या आपको 20 वर्ड्स आपने याद करने हैं. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ फॉर द डिक्टेशन. ऑन फ्राइडे आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट योर डिक्टेशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम वर्ड लिस्ट सेट नंबर 5. King Red Nose, this is the chapter name, and these are the 20 words from the chapter. So prepare yourself for the dictation and read the chapter again. Pronounce each and every word carefully. If you didn't get anything, so go to the video again, listen all the words carefully, and then pronounce each and every word. Then prepare yourself for the dictation. So hope students that you have understood each and everything. Now what you have to do, you have to underline the difficult words in your book. It is in your activity file set number 5. Just you will go to your activity file. You will open the set number 5, and whatever the difficult words are there from this chapter, you have to underline in your book. Next, what you will do, you have to learn these words with the spelling and with correct pronunciation. Firstly, you have to read the chapter with correct pronunciation, and then you have to learn those difficult words for dictation. For next Friday, on coming Friday or Thursday maybe, I'm going to conduct your dictation. So prepare yourself. Now this is a task for you. This is enough for today. Stay safe, stay healthy at home. Allah Hafiz.